The dentist removed the girl's tooth. The waiter removed the cork from the bottle. The gardener removed the leaves from the lawn. The woman removed one egg from the carton. The people removed the house from its original location to a place in the countryside. The man removed the snow from the front of his house. The man removed the pair of shoes from his feet. The golfer removed the flag from the hole. The man removed his tie from around his neck. The chef removed a piece of the cake and put it in his stomach. The mechanic removed the tire from the car. The therapist removed the mask from the woman's face. The man removed the cones from the road. The woman removed her hat from her head. The mother and her two boys removed the old wallpaper from the wall. The woman removed the nail polish from her fingernails. The woman removed the snow from the car windscreen. The man removed the nail with a hammer. The man removed the hair from his nostrils. The woman removed the wax from her ear. The worker removed the old tiles from the bathroom floor. The woman removed the makeup from her face with a cotton ball. The man removed the dirt from the sofa with a vacuum cleaner. The man removed the giant stone from the road. The woman removed the stain from the shirt with the detergent. The gardener removed the weeds from the garden with a shovel. The boy removed the mistake with an eraser. The man removed the folder from the shelf. The woman removed the jam from the fridge. The hand removed the lid from the teapot. The gardener removed the mown grass from the lawnmower and put it in the wheelbarrow. The woman removed the dirt from her face with soap and water.